If you wonder how you can generate free AI videos even without Watermark, just like the samples you're seeing in the beginning of this video, so let me introduce to you a simple way that you can generate high quality videos through converting text or image into video. First of all, open ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Create me a text to image prompt in Pixar style for a character called Mew Mew riding bicycle and her babies are following her. Then hit send button. Copy the generated prompt and then head over to the ImageFX website where you will generate image using that prompt. Check the video description. I will drop the link for the website. You can customize the settings, choose image quality and aspect ratio. Then paste the prompt, tap generate button and wait for it to finish. Slide the image and choose your desired one. Then download it to your phone gallery. Then go back to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Create me a text to image prompt in Pixar style for a character called Dog Leading Herds. Copy the prompt and head back to ImageFX. Delete the recent one and paste the prompt you just copied. Hit generate button and wait. Slide and choose the one you desired and download it. For the last image, go back to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Create me a text to image prompt in Pixar style for a character called Mermaid wandering around the beach. Once the prompt is generated, copy it and paste in the ImageFX and generate the image. Slide and choose the one you desired and download it. The last step is converting your images into videos. If you want to do it for free without Watermark and in the best quality, Google AI Studio can do it for you. Check the video description. I will drop the link for the website. Open Google AI Studio website. Tap on the three lines at the top left side. Tap Generate Media and select VO in the drop-down menu. You need to sign in with your Google account to use the feature. Once you are signed in, tap on the image icon, then select Upload Image. Select the image with cat and her babies. In the video description, type in this prompt, camera tracking of lively animals moving, then hit generate and wait. As your video is ready, you can watch or tap download button to save it in your phone gallery. For the second video, tap on the image icon, then select Upload Image. Select the image with dog leading herds. In the video description, type in the same prompt as the first video. Then hit generate and wait. Now your video is ready, which is free and without Watermark. For the last video, tap on the image icon, then select Upload Image. Select the image with mermaid. In the video description, type in this prompt, camera zoom of mermaid and lively animals moving around the beach. Then hit generate and wait. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.